This is a feral kitty cat outside my parents' house eating birdseed. There's a mother, and this is the only surviving kitten. Can't zoom in. Let's zoom in a little closer.
Okay, I think we got all the presents now, so I can take everything down now, right?
Yep.
And it's a good spot to chase birds too.
Good look, my little necklace. I tried it on.
Yeah.
Look. Some of them still work. And you can have it just, not all of them, but some of them. Isn't that something?
Yeah.
It's got 2 extra batteries.
And they live under the deck.
That's what it is.
It's right under there.
The batteries on. So one battery must be stronger than the other one.
Did he go under the deck?
He's going right now.
You know what, I'm going to put some more seed out for feed on it. Probably the possum.
Probably. Like
So of course we had to feed little baby kitty cat.
he's eating. I see he's eating.